I recently stepped into the Mopar world with a '69 Plymouth Valiant. It's got a 225 Slant 6, and it doesn't want to run for me. I suspect that it's the fuel pump. First, remove the inlet hose clamp, and then loosen the hard output line. Some of the connections were dirty, so I cleaned them up with a wire brush. Removing the mounting bolts was a bit of a slow process. As you can see, it's pretty tight in here. Looks like a decent matchup. I cleaned up the mounting surface with the gasket scraper tool. After running a wire brush across the mounting surface, I decided to clean all the debris out with a rag. Before I mounted the new fuel pump, I put some assembly lube on the internal components to reduce some of the wear during startup. On with the gasket. I made sure I evenly tightened down each bolt to reduce any warpage. It's pretty much a reverse order of operations installing the new fuel pump. This old fuel filter was looking pretty nasty, so I took the time to replace that now. fuel's filling the fuel filter. Everything looks like it's operational now. I added a little fuel to the carburetor bowl to help it along.